This is the D1440 USB memory stick voice recorder, featuring voice activated recording or constant recording. The built-in 8 GB memory will hold approximately 288 hours of recordings, or set on super high quality, approximately 144 hours. The internal battery, once fully charged, will last up to 18 hours. Depending on the amount of activity, this recorder could last several days or even weeks on one battery charge. Connected to a USB port on a standard computer, you can copy all your recordings from this device and set the time. The D1440.